Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact the support team on Nexo. So if you ever have questions or need help with your account, you know exactly what to do. Before that, let me give you a quick intro to Nexo. Nexo is a crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, exchange and earn interest on cryptocurrencies. You can also borrow funds using a crypto as a collateral and even use a Nexo card to spend your crypto directly. It's secure, user-friendly and designed to help your crypto work for you. So first you need to open to a browser, either Safari or the Google Chrome. And on the top here, we can see there's a search bar, type down nexo.com. Over here, when you reach into this interface, in the top right corner, we can see there's an option for the login. Click on the login. Over here, you are required to type down your email and password. If you want to log in with any of these bottom here, you can do that as well. Click over the Google, you need to select an account. So here you are also required to type down your code which is sent to the Gmail. Simply go to the Gmail and paste your code over here. And after you're done, you'll automatically land to the Nexo's interface. And once you're on the dashboard, you need to look in the top right corner of this icon of your profile here. You can find the help center. Click on the help center. So here again, go to the help center again, and over here you can ask anything about Nexo right over here. As it's select this one up that says who can order the Nexo card, and over here you'll get all of the information about it as well. And that's it. Contacting Nexo support is simple and straightforward. If you find this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe and comment down below if you have any trouble or confusion, and we will reach out to you very soon.